On this topic, we're going to be finding percentage just based on what's on the table. So they're giving you a table with information on it, and then you're just supposed to find the percentage of people that have the certain whatever they're talking about. So for instance, on this particular example, it says what percentage of the families have no car or one car. So you would look at the column, see how it's highlighted here. There's 6 and 21. You'd add those together. Since there were 100 people, it's just the sum that you get is the percentage, because percentage means out of 100. So if there's 27 people out of 100, it's actually 27%. The second question says how many families are not homeowners. So you would have to look at this row that says not a homeowner and add those together to get 53%. So let's start here, look at an example. It says what percentage of shoppers do not have computer access at home. So the first thing I look at is there's 200 shoppers. So when I add up do not have computer access at home, I'm going to then divide it in half because the percentage needs to be out of 100. So no computer access at home is 10 and 106. So that's 116 out of 200. If I divide them both by 2, then I get out of 100, which is going to give me my percent. So that's 58. So 58% do not have a computer access at home. For the second one, it says what percentage of shoppers do not have an email account. So I'm going to be looking at this column right here. I'll add 106 and 22 to get 128. Again, that's out of 200. So I'm going to have to divide by 2 so I can get it out of 100 and know the percentage, which is 64. So it's 64%. And we'll just check those really quick. All right, let's do another example. Oops, I don't know what I did. Oh my goodness. Okay, there we go. Okay, so now there's 300. So because I want 100, I'm going to divide my sum by 3. What percentage of students are girls? So I'm looking at this row right here for girls. I'll add that together and get 147 out of 300. So I want to divide by 3 because I want it out of 100. So it's going to be, let's see, 49. So 49%. Also, if you want to just plug into your calculator, you could just do 147 divided by, just a minute. 147 divided by 300. That will give you the 49.49, and you times it by 100. And that'll actually give you the 49%, which is what we got by doing it the other way. So there is that way to do it also, which we'll do it on the second one too, so you can see both different ways. So the second one says what percentage of the students prefer watching TV? So that's going to be this column that we're going to add together, and that's 171 out of 300. I'm going to divide by 3. $57. So that's going to be 57 out of 100, which is 57%. You could, like I said before, just do 171 divided by 300. That gives you the 0.57 or 57 hundredths, which is percent. So if you divide it by or times it by 100, it'll give it to you in the percent form, which is 57. Okay, that's the end of the lesson.